So when we are discussing in reference to the Lokagata Vat, Lokagata Pitta, and Lokagata Kapha, when Vikrit Lokagata Vat, Vikrit Lokagata Pitta, and Vikrit Lokagata Kapha, definitely there will be more and more health issues going to be faced by the human society in coming days. And it is very much clearly discussed that these are leading to the good effect and bad effect of the individuals. And their line of management is discussed itself. That means we should have to understand what is the responsibility of the individual soul towards his or her environment, and how the environment indirectly responsible for maintaining the healthy life cycle of a living being. These are the interrelated issues, which has been enumerated by Sarak Samhita as Loka Purush Saimya theory. And in our Indian philosophy, we believe that whatever the entities are exist in the universe, the same entities are exist in a human body or all living bodies. That means the human body's basic requirement and their supply chain system is discussed on the availability of the resources in the natures, and based on these fundamental issues, whether we are going to discuss the different fundamental principle based of our Upanishadic thought. That means we have our own thoughts of on line of thinking, that is philosophical thought. We have got our own biology. We have got our own chemistry, and we have also even our own physics. But question is that due to certain factors, we maybe have to adopt it and the Western system of sciences, and we are ignoring our things. And perhaps we are not so much intelligence to properly explain, understood, and justifies our ancient knowledge, which is propounded with a great visions based on different six philosophies, as well as these sciences, whether it Ayurveda or any other allied positive sciences, all are basically having a very sound footing of Indian philosophies. And Indian philosophy has never been a static concept. It was a dynamic and vibrant system of discussion of knowledges. There was a argument, counter argument. As a result, down the ages of thousands of years, we have got a very rich heritage of Indian philosophy, and even certain concept of Vaisheshik and Vaisheshik philosophy giving the basis of biological sciences. Similarly, Sankhya Darshan has given even the certain background to the think a new horizon for the physicist based on the Sankhya philosophy. And definitely, in the Naya philosophy has given a very in-depth thinking for analytical science, for quest of knowledge. So, when we are discussing the relation between the every individual or every living creature with the environment, this is a big issue, and this concept has been very meticulously incorporated by Sarak Samhita as a part of healthcare system and knowledge of healthcare system in the Batagala Galia, the last chapter of the Nirdesh Chatuska. This Nirdesh Chatuska is not only the instruction for the medical professional or doctor or a physician, it is instructions for a society, and these for the social scientists, how they are going to handle different issues maybe come across in the management of health issues, whether prevention of diseases or making a decision for healthcare management for the next couple of years. So we have to thinking or analysis in-depth thinking of this concept of classical samhitas, because Samhita literature itself has been narrated in a very codified languages. It has been certain merit, but definitely it has been some demerits also, because sometimes with the language or grammatical prepositions it may be difficulties, but that is actually very superficial causes. But if we are go details, it is very much understood, because all these are based on certain mathematical models. Because Samhita, whatever teach, it is discussed in a concise form, which is codified languages. These are help to memorize very smoothly, and it is having a ever-ending scope of genesis of new and newer knowledges in a coming days. So, in the context of COVID-19, though we are more frequently referring to the Janapada Dhangsha or practice of Rasana Drivas, but that is not actually. In a social science or as a social medicines, or you see the science of social scientists or a medical anthropologist, we have to give in more emphasis on these issues. That is how the new and newer challenges may be facing by the human societies. If there is a abnormality going on repeatedly on the atmosphere, which may be judged by the parameters of pollution of air, sometimes there may be a radiation problem or something, some may be pollutions of the water, whether it may be rivers, tank or oceans or etc. So these are the coming days we have to thinking, because in Sarak Samhita very much clearly discussed what may be the probable characteristics features of vitiated these factors. So definitely social scientists may get a plenty of hints that how we can prepare ourselves to take the challenges in near future which may be faced by the global community, or our environment may be face certain critical problem. For a sustainable development environment and comfortable living of the human being, it is a high time that we should have make a very active or insight analysis to our ancient knowledges. And when we are analyzing the health problem of the human society in a greater canvas covering the environmental issues, because you see science may be developed, but we cannot be ignore the basic necessity of human being, because human being is going to be get their food from the nature, that is our environment. Human being is going to be a social animal. We have to adjust our societies, our environments. So these are the great factors. This can be very difficult to understand, assimilated by one human being within 50 years, 60 years, or 100 years of his life. But once for a social scientist, when we have to make the analysis of 500 years, of 1,000 years, then we will feel the necessity. That is what great was our civilizations, what great preaching we have been getting from the Upanishads, and which has been practiced by our ancestors in the last 5,000 years in the name of Ayurveda. Veda is not only science, it is having the four meaning: to exist, to know, to gain of knowledges. That means with Vicharane, with Chattayam, with Gate, with Virilave. That means Ayurveda is not merely science of medical or clinical medicine. It is a science of civilizations, where we can enjoy a very productive, disease-free, and a very existence of peaceful coexistence. So we are in today, the 6th International Yoga Day, we are discussing that whatever the concept we have enumerated in our Yoga Shastras, whether it is Yoga of Patanjali, or whether we are going to be preaching of Srimad Bhagavad Gita as by Yogeshwar Sri Krishna, that Samattam Yoga Ishyate, or Karmasu Kausalam, all these are having a significance, because Gita is nothing, it is essence of all the oppositionistic knowledges. So when we are going to analyze the Yoga Darshan in the day of 6th International Yoga Day, we are not confined only the preaching of Patanjali Yoga Darshans, or only the preaching of the Hatha Darshan of different Samhitas like Shiva Samhita, Gharana Samhita. We should have to give more insight based on the preaching of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, as well as we have to try to analyze what are the basic aphorism has been defined by the Maharshi Patanjali in his Yoga Sutras in different padas. So these are the certain exclusively academic issues, but still we are thinking that practice of certain Ashtanga Yogas in the name of asanas, pranayamam, pratyaharas, we have to little go for other spiritual things like dhyan, samadhi, etc. Or we may have to thinking for upliftment of our this vitality from Muladhara Chakra to Agya Kanda. That is, these are the concept of this tantric anatomy which we have discussed in Hatha Yogas like Sat Chakra and this Prana Shakti, Kundalini Shakti. So these are the certain very deeper concept. To understand this concept of the Sat Chakras and Kundalini Shakti, or discussing these different concepts of the tantric anatomy, whether it is Ira, Pingala or Susumna, whether you say the Susumna or Sandana or Ira Nari, These are a very higher concept of knowledges. So when